Happy Friday, everybody, and everybody knows Friday is my favourite day of the week. The weekend starts on Friday for me. Anyway, I'm in the test room, and I've got a few little bits and pieces I want to show you. But so first of all, I'll show you. We've got a bit of a problem. Okay, so let's just talk about ASR1001-HX. Now, amazingly, the list price of this thing is something crazy like $50,000 or $60,000. But anyway, it was designed to replace the ASR1001-X. ASR1001-X during the pandemic, they were selling for about $4,000 because nobody could get them, and then suddenly everybody's tearing them out and they sell refurbished for about $250, $300 now. But anyway, so we've got here an ASR1001-HX. These were sort of trading for about 15 or 20,000. Now that's about between 3 and 4,000. But this one's got a problem. It's got an ASIC problem, and basically it is an economic write-off. So what I plan to do, so I bought a couple of these, knowing that it was sold as seen. They said there was a flash problem, but actually they already knew that it was a motherboard problem, so they can't be repaired. So what we will do is we'll remove the power supplies and this fan module. Yes, there is a fan module behind there, which incidentally allows me to allocate all the money to the fans and the power supplies, and I'll take the memory out of there as well, because the memory, I think it's got 16 gig. So we haven't lost any money on this, but we had an ASR1001-HX come in that had a massive ding on it. So I've also reused the lid. So basically I've made one good one out of the two, and then what's left will go to recycling. So beat that, circular economy, perfect example. And we've also got 4 Nexus 93180 YCEXs come in, and they're being tested. And last but by no means least, we've got a beautiful pair of 9400X SUP-2XLs. Those were left over from an installation, so I bought those, and along with it, we had a few little extra Go Faster goodies. And we've got, look at that, an old Cat 6500. So what we'll do is I think we've got plenty of these chassis, so we'll scrap the chassis. We'll hold the 2 power supplies back. The 6548 GTX, that I think has got the DFC 4 card on there. So the main card will scrap, but this will hold this back, because that's those get used quite often, because people have still got these out there with CFC cards on there, and yeah, so we'll hold that one back for stock. And we've got some SUP2Ts, we'll hold that one back. This line card here, we might hold back. These, we'll probably scrap those. Nobody uses these anymore, so these are 4.40 gig line cards. But anyway, there you go. Lots going on. I'll put a few pictures out at the weekend. I know you guys like those. Anyway, gotta go. Have a great day. And if you need any refurbished Cisco, you know where to come. Gotta go. See you. Bye.